A to Z animals. A for alligator. B for bear. C for camel. D for deer. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for numbat. O for okapi. P for panda. Q for coal. R for rhino. S for sugar glider. T for tiger. U for Yukari. V for vampire bat. W for wolf. X for giraffe. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.